Okay. The Hotel 101. We just checked in here about an hour ago, so we're just kind of getting used to the place. This room comes with one full-size double bed and a single. There's the little wardrobe section in here. This is pretty typical with most of your hotel rooms. Anywhere you go, I guess. You got a little lockbox down there. Little kitchen sink. Small refrigerator. Microwave. That's a nice little empty space. Nice little commodity there. So, what'd you say, hon?
Tuna melt.
Tuna melts. Oh, those are good. She's looking at the menu. We're hungry. We've been on the bus all day coming down here from Alamino City in Pangasinan. So bathroom looks pretty clean. Set of towels there. TP. Your fart sucker. Panasonic water heater for your shower. Haven't tried this out yet, but I can hopefully only imagine that it's going to be working just fine tonight when we jump in here. Water pressure looks good. Little pair of slippers down there in case you forget yours. Let's just check this refrigerator real quick, see if there's anything in there. Nada. Complimentary water, I would hope that is.
Do they have coffee?
Yeah, I think there's some coffee. What do we got here? Yeah. Cream. You might want to pick some up at 7-Eleven anyways. Yeah, there's a Jollibee, I guess. I didn't see it. She did. Jollibee right down at the front entrance there. So we're pretty tired. We're not going to go over to the mall and get dinner. We'll save that for tomorrow night. We'll just settle for the old Jollibee thing. So just get something in their stomachs and then get some showers and kind of take a rest. This looks to be about a 40 or a 43 inch TV maybe. It's bigger than a 32, put it that way. So we haven't checked it out, but it's a 40 plus inch Samsung, so it looks good. Got a little place to put your laptop. Air conditioner, I just shut that off for a few minutes while I take this little video here, and we'll turn that right back on after we're done giving you a tour of the room. But it works really, really well. We walked in here and it was freezing cold. So it's again single bed over there by the window, and then this looks to be you know what, I don't know, kind of looks like a queen to me. Queen size bed. Do you think so? I think it's bigger than that. I think it's a queen. So I could be wrong, but it's big enough for two people, put it that way. And we got a nice view of some construction going on out here. But hey, whatever. It's good for 2 nights, for sure. And as you can see at the beginning of the video, it looks like they have a pool. I don't know if I'll have a chance to get down there or not, but it's nice to know it's there in case we want to go. So once again, this is the 101 Hotel. It's located just a jump, skip, and a hop from the Mall of Asia, which we'll go ahead and visit tomorrow. And I got a couple other things to do tomorrow, so we'll have a nice dinner over there. And hey, there I am. We'll have a nice dinner over there tomorrow night, and then just kind of see how it goes from there. The 101 Hotel here in Pasay City, Manila, Philippines. So okay, thanks guys, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, later.